Hi, Chef Mario here with Lavagel Technologies. I get a lot of questions from folks in the field asking what type of pans can I use to maximize the benefits of your technology? What's going to give me the hottest heat for the longest time and the best temperature? I'll tell you what it is. Typically, most folks will use our half pan application for small parties, etc., where we utilize 375 milliliters or a cup and a half of room temp water. Not cold water, but room temp water into this pan, and we're going to put our food in this pan here, oven ready, fresh food, not cold food, not frozen food, but oven ready fresh food, roughly 175 to 225 degrees. We're going to apply it tightly in an exact same type pan, making sure that we have direct contact with our Lavagel technology, and then placing the proper top or cover on that, ready for small party use. Now, if you buy the trays that are commonly bought in big box stores, and they come in great stacks like this with lids, we can use those as well. Now, let's say this pan here is full of your favorite dish, whether it be pasta or meatballs or roast beef, what have you. Any type of protein or carbohydrate food will do. You're going to do the same thing with Lavagel technology by putting, this time, 3 cups of water into a large tray such as this for typical commercial catering. 3 cups or 750 milliliters. If you're confused, that 750 milliliters is roughly a Bordeaux-sized bottle of wine. Make sure to use room temperature water, not cold water, because it may take a little longer for Lavagel to come up to speed. And remember, time is money and time is wasting. We're going to get the XL pad, which is our large full tray pad, pour the water in, and in this case, we're going to put the Lavagel pad, the large pad, XL, into the tray, foil side up, and make sure it's submerged properly, and all the water will absorb into the technology, and that's where the activation starts. We're going to get our oven-ready food, and we're going to press it down nice and snug on top of the Lavagel technology, and we're going to put the proper cover on that. Now, that pan there is ready either for on-site food delivery preparation, or we're going to put it in transportation to take it to a venue. And finally, if you're the professional type and all you have is stainless steel, actually the stainless product works perfect with our Lavagel XL. Again, 3 cups of water in the bottom, and we're going to apply our XL product, the large pad, foil side up, and we're going to add 3 cups of room temp water, folks, not cold water. And you're going to take the exact same size pan, whether it's a lasagna tray or you have fish or pasta, whatever it is, and we're going to place that directly inside the other tray, and we're going to make sure that it touches the bottom of the other tray, and then we're going to cover that with your standard commercial stainless lid. And the reason why it works good on stainless is because the stainless will reflect the heat back into the food, create that convection, versus the aluminum, which is more of a conductor, which will absorb our heat. So those are the types of apparatuses or food chafing dishes that are optimal for Lavagel application. I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to sharing more information about our products.